Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. Today we will do the back exercise of chapter number 9, Air, Water and Weather. The first question of the back exercise is put a tick for true and a cross for false. Give a reason for your answer. The first statement is plants need both oxygen and carbon dioxide. So this statement is true. Look in this picture. In daytime, plants need carbon dioxide gas to make their food and give us oxygen gas. But in nighttime, plant need oxygen gas and releases carbon dioxide as we do. The second statement is all substances around us are solid, liquid or gases. So this statement is true. Look in this picture. There are three states of matters. All substances around us are solid, liquid or gases. Gases. The third statement is the water cycle depends on the heat of the sun. This statement is wrong. Now we write the reason here. And the reason is it depends on both sun and the amount of water present on earth. The fourth statement is since air is very light, it does not have much power. So this statement is true. You can see in the picture, the light air does not have much power. The fifth statement is in the winter season, it is very cold in all parts of Pakistan. So this statement is wrong. Now we write the reason here. The reason is it is not very cold in all parts of Pakistan. The sixth statement is clouds contain dust particles and tiny drops of water. This statement is true. You can see in the picture, clouds contain dust particles and tiny drops of water. Question number 2 is name these and the first statement is a fast blowing wind. Answer is gale. A fast blowing wind is called gale. You can see in the picture when the winds blow very fast, it is called a gale. Strong winds, gales and storm can cause a lot of damage. They can even uproot trees. The second statement is plants use this gas to make food. And the answer is carbon dioxide. You can see in the picture in daytime, plants use carbon dioxide gas, sunlight and water to make their food. The third statement is this kind of air is bad for our health. Answer is polluted air. Look in this picture. Air contains dust, smoke, germs and some harmful gases given out by vehicles and factories. These things make the air dirty and dirty air is called polluted air. The fourth statement is the gas form of water. The answer is steam. The gas form of water is called a steam. Look in this picture. When you heat the water starts boiling and changes into a gas called steam or water vapors. The fifth statement is weather caused by clouds heavy with water are called rainy. Clouds are drops of water that are formed on dust particles. Sometimes these tiny drops of water join to form large drops. When the drops get heavy enough, they may fall as rain. So, the weather caused by clouds heavy with water are become rainy. And the last statement is a slow wind. And the answer is breeze. A slow wind is called breeze. You can see in the picture when the wind blows slowly, it is called a breeze.